So traders, on this video, we're just gonna set up your trading view. You can either manage or do your analysis on the MetaTrader 5, but for those who trading from laptops or computers, it's best to do your analysis either on the MetaTrader 5 or use the trading view. So how can you get a hold of trading view? In binary.com, guys, you must click on resources. Once you hit resources, click on trading view. That is where you will find your trading view platform, right? You will not find it on your other trading view like the original trading view, but you can only find your at binary.com. Right here at resources, click on trading view. Once you click on trading view, guys, your charts will be open like this. This is basically the trading view on binary.com, as you guys can see, right? You can basically just add your charts. So let me just do my favorites right here for you. You can see what do I have for my favorites. I have this eclipse, I have my rectangle, I have the brush, I have my long and my short, I have my price range, my text, my trend line, the horizontal ray, and an arrow of my Fibonacci, and I have my horizontal line. So how do you add that into your uh toolbar? Is go click right here. So let's make an example. You just click on the star, all of that you want to add on your toolbar, right? You see we have an arrow. It's I star that, I star that, I star that. So let's say I want to have my vertical line on this bar as well. All I have to do is just click here, right? Give it a star, and there you guys can see there is my vertical line. You can also adjust it, move it however you want to move it, but this is how you will do and use your trading view and to do your analysis on the market on trading view for volatility or any synthetic market that you wish to trade. That is what I'm currently using as well, but most likely I'm using MetaTrader 5 on computer because why it's more reliable and it suits me best. So this is basically it for this video, guys. I'm not gonna go too in depth into it, but what you guys could see, we have also our time frames right here. You can mark your 20, your 24 is going to be your daily, and 4 hour, 1 hour, unmark 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minute, and unmark 3 minutes in your 1 minute, right? All of my favorite charts is already having a star on it, and you can find your charts right here. And if you want to search a different market, guys, you can just click right here and search for, let's say, step, right? You can see it will open up step index now for us. That is how you going to switch markets. You can also type only on the markets right here, right? R, and you can go back to your VIX75 markets right here. And if you want to add indicators, guys, you can just go here at the top. You can see indicators, click right there, and now you can just search for your moving averages, moving, and you can just add your moving averages right here. That is how plain and simple it is, guys. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys get a lot of value from this material, because why, in the next chapter, guys, we're gonna go more into depth. This is what's only plain simple videos to set yourself up to get started with your trading. So you can either do it on your phone or do it on MetaTrader on the PC, or use your trading view on your computer, guys. So this is it for this video. See you guys in the next chapter, and I hope you guys taking notes by now.